Okay, so we saw this on YouTube where they blocked in a Mercedes. So we're gonna try it with this Beamer. Alright, so we're gonna pull these trucks in close. So when this person comes out, they won't be able to get in their car. So this should be pretty funny. And we'll just see how they react. So here we go. Alright, yeah, this is gonna be insane, dude. They're not gonna one hit him, man. Hey, dude, make sure it's close enough so she can't get in. Is it close enough? Dude, perfect. Now get over here.
Holy crap. Is that the girl with the BMW?
Gosh.
Not hot at all.
She's totally not the hottest woman I've ever seen.
I think she needs help.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go help her.
Yeah. Good luck with that.
She needs a princess.
Dude.
She needs a princess. That's me.
Dude, she doesn't know what to do. That's great. Oh man. Wait. What? Dude, who's in that car?
Is that car?
Wait, what?
It's backing up on its own?
I swear there
No,
was nobody in
wait.
that car, man.
Dude, what's going on?
How does
She's not even dazed right now.
Oh, dude, she's gonna get away before you can get her number.
She's too smart for you idiots anyways.
Oh, what lesson have we learned?
Don't prank chicks with BMWs. I think I'd rather have the car anyway.
Yeah, at least you'd have a nice car.